Hello everyone, I'm Krista Finley, President and CEO of the Mackenzie Health Foundation, and I'm honored to be here to kick off the 6th annual Ride for Health event. I wanted to first thank you all for supporting our decision to go virtual and continuing to support Mackenzie Health during a year like no other. I'm both humbled and grateful to see that our community's commitment to our hospital network is so strong. We can't thank you all enough. Since 2015, Ride for Health has raised more than $1 million, helping to fund life-saving equipment, technology, and other critical hospital upgrades at Mackenzie Health. These funds have also played an important role in helping us reach our $250 million campaign goal. We're proud to share that the campaign has raised $178 million to date, allowing us to build and equip the new Cortellucci Vaughan Hospital and enhance care at Mackenzie Richmond Hill Hospital. We still have a ways to go, and we rely on the generosity and support of our community to make this happen. Your participation in Ride for Health this year helps us get to the finish line, and we thank you. Your incredible fundraising efforts have already made this year's event one for the books, and in a pandemic at that. And we now leave it to you to keep that momentum going and make your race day the absolute best that it can be. So get out there, be safe, obey the rules of the road, and if you've made plans to ride in a small group, please be sure to follow the Ministry of Health's physical distancing guidelines at all times. I'd like to now pass the baton over to Mackenzie Health's President and CEO, Altaf Stationwala. Thanks again for being part of Ride for Health.
Thank you, Krista. And thanks again for being part of this amazing event. While we wish you could be here in person, we want to make sure you're keeping safe during this crisis with the COVID-19 pandemic. Your support is helping us make our two-hospital future a reality. We're just months away from opening the new Cortellucci Vaughan Hospital, and without your help, we can't get there. We just recently announced that construction is now complete. We've achieved substantial completion, and we now have the keys to this building. It's time to transform healthcare in this community. We're installing thousands of pieces of new technology and equipment, testing them to make sure they work. We're also preparing our indoor and outdoor spaces to make sure they're ready to care for patients. We're recruiting over 1,500 new staff and training over 3,000 new staff between our two hospitals. Given the current crisis in healthcare, it's more important than ever for you to support this amazing cause to give to Mackenzie Health. When the Cortellucci Vaughan Hospital opens in early 2021, it will join the Mackenzie Richmond Hill Hospital to double access to care for this community. The Ride for Health is a true testament for this community's support. We're so grateful for your participation. I'd now like to hand it over to Dominic Guerreri, one of the dedicated riders and co-chair for this campaign and president of Forest Contractors. Enjoy your ride, everyone, and be safe.
Thanks, Altaf. I'm happy to be here addressing all of you today on behalf of myself and my co-chair, Mark Rakatani, who you will hear from shortly. I've been involved with Ride for Health for 6 incredible years, but this year was truly unique. We've had to pivot in many ways and make decisions we never thought we'd have to make. Yet this year's event has already been as successful as any other year, meeting our ambitious fundraising goal of $340,000 to date. We are blown away by our community's unwavering support. But why stop there? Now let's beat our goal and show everyone that not even a pandemic could slow us down. Now, I'd like to take a moment to thank our presenting sponsor, CIBC. We're so honored to be continuing our long-standing partnership with you. Your generosity creates social impact in our community, and we are forever grateful. And thanks to all our incredible sponsors. Your support not only helps Mackenzie Health provide the ultimate care, it also enables us to continue the legacy we started with this event. Of course, I can't forget to mention our event committee. Ride for Health would not be possible without your tremendous efforts and devotion. Major thanks and appreciation goes out to all of you for hustling like never before. We know you all have busy lives outside of Ride for Health, but we are extremely grateful that you've continued to make it a priority. And last but not least, thank you to all our riders for helping to make Ride for Health the fantastic event that it is, for your giving spirit and keeping the momentum going year after year. We wouldn't have been here without you. I'd like to now introduce my co-chair, Mark Rakatani, and his colleague, Dominic Retta, who are speaking today on behalf of our lead partner, CIBC.
Hello, I'm Mark Rakatani, co-chair of this year's Ride for Health and CIBC Executive and Region Head for Private Wealth Management.
And I'm Dominic Reda, CIBC Market Vice President, Personal and Business Banking. And thank you for joining us virtually.
We want to give a big thank you out to all of this year's riders for taking part in this meaningful event, and to the Mackenzie Health Foundation staff for their hard work in converting this year's ride into a virtual event.
CIBC is proud to support this event and all the tremendous work being done by Mackenzie Health to provide patients and their families with innovative, compassionate care that is close to home. Since the first ride in 2015, more than $1 million has been raised to help fund the essential tools, systems, and programs.
To date, we have seen some amazing results, and it's a testament to the generosity of this community. Dominic and I are honored to be part of it. We are truly humbled by the outpouring of support and participation from so many cyclists within our cycling community. Many of you that have become our closest friends and companions.
Yes, and each year the ride is an opportunity for all of us to unite and make a lasting impact in our community. I know it's something that all of us here at CIBC look forward to each year. Even though we're apart this year, we're still rallying together to support enhanced patient care for thousands of people in our region.
Once again, thank you to everyone for participating and raising critical funds to support enhanced patient care at Mackenzie Health. On behalf of everyone at CIBC, we wish you a safe and enjoyable ride, and we look forward to see your many social media posts. Together with our clients, we are one for change.
Thank you, Mark and Dominic. Again, we appreciate CIBC's support and everything you do for Mackenzie Health. We hope you're feeling motivated and ready to ride on October 4th. Don't forget to share your race day photos and on social media using hashtag MHFRide. Let this be your virtual shotgun start, courtesy of Nature's Emporium. Thanks for watching, be safe, and have a great ride.